This afternoon, students in the automotive trades in Cleveland handed over the keys to a project they have been working on for more than a year.
And I went to the college today and earlier this week where the classic truck was refurbished for the Cleveland Police Department, a truck designed to teach lessons but also build relationships. Parked in the Ohio Technical College's garage. Now, they don't make trucks like this anymore.
No,
right?
they don't. They don't.
This 1979 GMC Sierra 4x4
We managed to limp it here, and you took over and did such an amazing job.
is new again thanks to the hands of students.
It was definitely a process to go through. Can't rush it. It's just step by step.
Like Noah Kabitis, who's in the Collision Repair and Refinishing Technology program.
Painted the hood, this fender, this door, and then the driver's side of the bed.
The students stripped vinyl decals and logos, sanded and repainted this truck for the Cleveland Police Department and Cleveland Police Foundation.
I had a challenging moment with the driver's side door because the paint wasn't mixed properly and it was expired. So I had to sand it down and redo the whole thing.
A learning moment. That's what it's all about. As Noah pursues his degree, he expects the formal training to enhance his earning potential.
Vehicles of this era and prior to this era, you know, they had a personality.
Steve McBride is one of the instructors.
To see the whole project to go from what it was to, you know, where we're at right now is pretty cool.
CPD turning to the college to rehab the truck once used for its DARE program. This side-by-side is the before and after. Now people can expect to see it rolling up to school meet and greets, festivals, parades, and much more. It's the community engagement truck.
This right here will save somebody's life just from opening up a line of communication of how to solve problems.
Ronald Wells painted the mural on the tailgate.
Bring the community and policing together so we have some cohesion, unity.
He wants students in his custom paint and graphics class to understand the value of handmade work.
Authenticity, that's often missing when it comes to a digital world.
The truck symbolizing the strength of community and the significance of skilled trades, especially as industries seek to expand their workforce.
There's a lot of older folks out there that are looking to retire with a lot of gray hair.
The latest Tech Force Foundation report says between now and 2028, more than 471,000 automotive technicians will be needed, and more than 100,000 collision technicians. And take a close look, the truck bears the college's logo. Noah's happy with the results and thankful for an opportunity to help police.
Especially for Cleveland PD, it's just an honor to do something like this for them.
Ohio Technical College currently has about 400 students, and they offer 7 different programs with tuition ranging between $26,000 and $40,000. But a lot of the students, they are already working and going to school, so they're paying that down rather quickly.
Earning while learning.
Yes.
There. That is a cool car.
Sirens work, everything else.
I bet the officers are like, I want to drive that.
Yeah.
Can I drive that one?
Over it.
Yeah, exactly.